Welcome back to another episode of Crafting Hoarders Confessions. Before I start, I just want to say thank you to all the people who have commented on the previous videos that we've made so far. I've had a couple of suggestions. They're really great that I've attempted to try. Paula suggested making a kaleidoscope from all the little gems that were coming out of the mystery jar in the first episode, which I thought was a really lovely idea. So I did a quick YouTube search for how to make a kaleidoscope, and there were lots of suggestions to try, but I picked probably the most simplest I could find, using a toilet roll or 2 toilet rolls. I've put a link in the description for the film, which is a really nice film. Her kaleidoscope turned out much better than my first messy attempt, but I did discover that the gems actually were not, because they weren't transparent, didn't actually work very well, because they didn't let the light through. And we tried with some transparent plastic beads we had, and it really worked quite well. It was a nice first attempt anyway. Pretty messy, but anyway. And then we also had a suggestion for making a sun catcher, which I thought was really nice because I love sun catchers. I've got a lot of them around, like this one. Of course, didn't make that. Actually, I did it with my 3-year-old. Using some of the jewelry we found in the jar, we made a little thing. I'd like to try making something a bit bigger and nicer soon from some of my other stuff that I've got lying around. So anyway, today we're looking at my well, I've got the label on the door, says tags, journaling, stickers, cutout shapes, rub-ons. So miscellaneous. Again, I apologise for the mess. I'm not exactly organised. Everything's just sort of stuffed in. I'm going to try and go through this a bit quicker now so it doesn't get too boring. I haven't got any pirates here today trying to steal my treasure. There isn't any gems in here anyway, it wasn't interesting. Gosh, I've got loads of stickers. Look at all these. I bought these from a crafting fair where she sold the whole lot just for £5. Usually these cost like £1 a sheet. So that's great. It's usually my kids that use those more than anything. I've got rub-ons, stickers, more stickers. Yeah, I love the Jim Holtz collection. Anything Jim Holtz, or the ideology words. I've got some Christmas stickers there. Oh, yeah, for some reason I seem to get a lot of Hello Kitty things. I'm not a fan or anything, it's just that when we buy up all these crafting hoards of other people, they seem to be in there. I've used a few of these, nice pop-outs. And we've got some cork shapes, various, if you can see that. Yeah, I'm going to go quick because we've got letters, more letters, lots of letters, numbers and alphabets. I do intend to use these, that's why I keep collecting as many different fonts and things as I like, because I do have an idea of making mixed media canvases with messages on them. Oh, a nice random bag I got from somewhere of all sorts. Another Jim Holtz ideology, list of random words. It's a nice lacy looking sticker. There's lots of these are nice. They're rub-ons, rub-on letters. Stickers and stickers and chipboard stickers. Oh, so I've got this Jim Holtz These were the grunge blocks. They're supposed to look like stamping blocks, but I've all the letters. Oh, there's a few in the corner there. I've gone into my. I've got a whole box full of alphabet letters and things. I love this grunge board though. It's just so we've got all the blocks left. I don't know what I can use that for. But it smells so interesting. It smells like new shoes actually. I just love the feel of it. It's so soft and very kinesthetic. Oh, more stickers. More alphabet. Yeah. So that's the sort of thing that's in here. Oh. I forgot I had this. It's a good thing he's not here, isn't it? Oh, I think I'll put that aside for him. He's a scallywag. He stole all my gems from the last video almost. I had to sneak them back when he wasn't looking, so he just leaves them all over the floor. Don't you, Thomas? Some nice rub-ons. Where's the camera there? Oh, look. That aside. Stickers. Girl-based stickers. I only have boys, so of course I haven't had a chance to use that. Mini memo pads? Yeah. Cork numbers. Oh, I think I better go fast because it's going to bore you out otherwise, isn't it? Look, like chipboard buttons. Painting. I would like to do some of these. These are nice. Nice 3D stickers. I've noticed these are good for scrapbooking, aren't they, and journaling. I just haven't gotten into it. I'm terrible at keeping a journal or a diary or anything like that. The few times I've ever tried, I only get as far as February, and then, you know, I don't really like writing about myself, really. Lovely rub-ons. And sentiments. You know. Oh. That's a Christmas thing, isn't it? It's see-through, you can't see it. Like good on the sun catcher. Rub-ons. More. These are nice. I really like these sort of 3D shiny ones. I don't know what we'll use those for. You can see it. Wings. Angel wings. More. It's from Waitrose. Stickers. It just says. I really should go through these before I film them, shouldn't I? Find all the scraps that are. I've got these lovely black ones that you can paint. This one is Mayor Road. My road. Nice borders or what have you. Now I've got lots of these sort of things. Journaling. I've sort of inherited, as it were. Making that sort of thing. Is there anything else I could use those for apart from journaling? Well, I just really just have to do it, don't I? These nice small. They call them fabric stickers. These are fabric stickers. Stickers. Patchwork accents. Very nice. Touch. I think you get the picture, don't you? Blackboard. Cosmic Circle. Jack's World. I've used some of that for Thomas. It's done some crafting with those. Some more edge. Just the edge. Cardboard strips. I have so much in here. Oh, it's terrible, isn't it? That I don't use it. It's a crime. I know it's a crime. It's just so nice. I just enjoy them as they are. Just not totally unused, you know. Every now and then I get them out and touch them a bit. Sentiments. What's this? Oh, more chipboard shapes with invisible resist on it. So when you paint it, you can't see that, can you? Oh well. Lots of stickers. Stickers. Rub-ons. Yeah. Oh, they're my doilies. Not doilies. Never know where they are when I want them. These are nice. I like these canvas alphabet stickers from Do Crafts. I've used some of them. And more Jim Holtz. Ideology Harlequin Elements. On the grunge board again. What that's made of. I love it. So tactile. 2 of them. Another one. Stickers and more. Grunge board. They fall out of the pack, I think. What's that? Some cards. And more rub-ons. Right there, you got the gist, haven't you? That's what I have in that drawer. Oh, a little bag of tiny cutouts. I'm going to open that. And I've got a box full of small journaling stickers and cutouts. And there we go. That's my tags and journaling stickers drawer revealed. Well, next episode will be another drawer, or though maybe I was on eBay and I saw somebody who was selling off their crafting stock, but they were doing this sort of lucky dip, £5 to 50 items from what they have. And so I thought, oh, well, £5, and postage was free, so I thought, yeah, why not? So I've got that coming in the post, and I might open that as a surprise for me and you in an episode as well, because that's sort of blind bag opening is fun, isn't it? It always goes around that on YouTube. Okay, bye for now. Oh, and don't forget to come with any comments and ideas you have for all of this. Thank you. Bye.